Give me spiritual ears. Give me a heart that is cleansed and that understands. Clap your hands. Today we are here in this place. Those is the first time they come in, raise up your hands. You may put on your hands. It's the first time they enter. We don't have a service today, but we have a service of one-on-ones, where you see the prophet to be close to him. You get an opportunity so that we see each other face to face, and then we touch each other, and then I pray for you. It goes with a service to be cleansed. God said, I must open up a service of cleansing to people. Others came to the one who wants to put their problems in. I'm not afraid of anything. Just stand here. I know my work testifies for me. I don't do my own will. Many people follow me. They are not following me. They are following the work. To believe that doesn't have work is dead. When you say you believe, your work must be seen. When you say you're helping people, people must come back and be grateful and give you money. You also see, even if you go to the program of the prophet, you can see that people are grateful. A person comes in darkness. They can make you while you are alive and make you in darkness. Other things are made for them to be in darkness. Others, they like things to be in light. They like to work. They like to get married. They like to have a husband. Or like to have their own wife. But they are in darkness. The wishes that they have, they are not happening. They don't know why. They were made because people are sorcering outside. You mustn't sit down. I'm not only speaking to you here, I speak to all people. I am a doctor of all people in the whole world. I'm raised and I was given governments, certificates of doctorate by law. Not that I was just given. They said give, but the work seen. This one supposed to, we can say is a doctor. We can give them garments with the work. Life, you go for it. Because even people go. You hear, you don't know where did you go? You're not waiting. Children are driving. Others are taking themselves. They are working, money is not there. You are tempted by God. You've been working long. Money is not seen. and then he runs away and leaves you with a child.
What's wrong?
You know, you're looking for your problem. Your tears are close to you. Life is sad. Others are succeeding. You're educated, you've got the problem that is there. You have CVs, but you're not married. Where is their problem? You don't sleep at night. You have stress. Other people are succeeding. You don't succeed. Your things are starved. Not because your things are starved. They are made to be starved. People can make you get stuck. And they make you stuck not to get a job. And make you stuck to not get married. And not to get a car. And they make you stuck in one place. You wish beautiful things, but they don't come. When you go play on the machine, you lose all the money. The money is finished. There are people that are gambling. Others are gambling. Money is finished, it's not there. Others they play. They are betting, but they're not getting it. I speak of words. I'm not standing here by myself. I'm not praising myself. I won't testify. People are grateful. They see money. They see cars. They see the work. Listen carefully. I'm also blessed. I'm not hungry as you see. The one who's watching me, don't think I'm starving. I got lights. The lights that I have. When people are lighting, you are a testimony. I'm not starving. Don't take me like your priest. I did not study for this. I never went to a Bible school. I ended up in South. As you see me, I'm from overseas. The thing of heaven doesn't go with it goes with the calling. I'm not speaking of a priest of a Bible school. Don't compare me to your priest. The one who studied for 4 years. The thing that I'm eating here, I did not study for it. I was given by God, not by himself. I'm going to make you angry. Even my ancestors. My ancestors. Now you are getting angry with us. A person who doesn't. Now you are hating. When a person is living, doesn't go alone. As you are here in this place, there your ancestors. And left in this world. They are going with you. You could have done it all. You are protected by your ancestors. There are some things that you still need to do in your family. As I'm standing here, there is nothing by chance. I know how to sleep. I know how to miss. I know how to sleep. I know how to live in poverty. Let me tell you, my child, if you don't believe, I'm a book that you need to read. Where all the situations are facing, Jehovah is there. Where am I today? Today I'm married. I have a wife. I built my father's house. Today I don't have stress. The one who's rejecting the world is not rejecting the one who's rejecting the family is not rejecting the family. Today I'm speaking to you. The one watching, even you I'm speaking to. Because I see your problem. The problem that you have, I will take it out. The problem, I will solve it. With my calling, then I was given in the spiritual realm, even the ancestors' realms. As you see me standing here, I'm not going alone. say that. Because you don't know yourselves anymore. You are worshippers. You worship him, but you are hurting. You forgot where you come from. Where you come from. Where is your family altar? Where is your roots? Every human being, you like it or you don't, the person has got their roots. It's got their Sunday. It's got their altar. Where they need to burn their incense. I don't care if you're educated. I speak the truth as it is. Even if you see to come and fetch me, you never see me as Jehovah of mine is living. Even to you is going to live. You already care. When you believe, don't pretend. The one who's going to enter the steam must confess. That's the thing that holds people. At the altar, you may burn the incense. They come and go. The problem that is there is they don't get along at home. You are pretending. Another doesn't get along with the sister. Get along with the brother. Another doesn't get along with the mother. But you are going to kneel at the altar. A person that doesn't want to confess. If you don't confess, you are hurting yourself. If you are going to enter the sleep today, Father, I terminated pregnancy. I killed the child. Father, I still go around. I date around. Sleeping around is sleep on all ships. How many people slept there? The person you sleep with, do you know where they come from? How many women died upon him? How many men died upon him? How many terminations have they made? Because today they date now and terminate now. Monday they sleep with a man, not cleansed. The today's great children. If you don't want to confess, you mustn't have a secret. When you get to the prophet, open up your chest. Father, I have two men. Father, I'm a man. But I'm cheating. Cheating is a curse, it's not a blessing. Speak, Father. Cheating. I'm telling you the truth. Cheating, having a wife, is an embarrassment. A person you cheat, you don't know what they have. You are just making them then come back and sneak the wife. The wife is going to find herself because you fetch bees and you put it on your wife. There are some people today, many that are sick, that are taking medication, not knowing where does disease come from. There are some men today that are taking medication because of women. Because of women. Another went and collected bees. In churches, they don't speak the truth. They want money.
akusho ukuthi imali angidingi ngoba kumele ngenze umsebenzi wesonto kumele ngirede kodwa mntanami kumele ngitshele
I need to tell you
iqiniso
the truth.
kumele ngitshelele
I must
njalo
tell you as it
ngoba
is.
Jesu Kristu
Because Jesus
yena
Christ,
umqobo wakhe
Him by His
uthi
Son.
uJesu nayikhuluma
Jesus what He
uthi
speaks.
niyokwazi iqiniso
You will know the truth.
iqiniso
The
lekulikhuluma
truth will relieve
kodwa
you.
manga yodala ikhesi
Will make a curse.
baningi abantu abaphila impilo yamanga
Many people who live in a
ubaba uganiwe uyendoda kodwa unomfazi kodwa uphila impilo yamanga uyajona umama unendoda emsebenzini uyajona uthathwa bafana abancane
attached by other people.
khona abantu abangenalo
There
iqiniso
are some people that
abaze banikele nemali yowebiwe esontweni
also give an offering of money that is
ngiyakhuluma vele
I'm speaking.
imali yowebiwe izintengiso phamba zona mama uyiphethe futhi ungezinana
Don't come
imali
here.
ngeke ngamali yowebiwa la
Don't give an offering with
mama
money.
ufuna imali yakho
You
nini
think I want your money?
mawazi ukuthi uphethe imali
If you
yowebiwa
know that you
ungezinako
have
yini
stolen, don't come to me with it.
hlambuluka kuqala
Confess first.
uze kuqala baba
Come to me first.
ngoba kuzonikela nje
As I'm going to give it
ngithola
offering.
imali
I
emsebenzini
stole money at
yabelungu
work.
Joyela abefundisi abangatshela abaqeqeshi ngoba befuna imali
Because they want money.
ungebi
Don't steal.
ukweba
To steal
kuyisinengiso
is an embarrassment.
ngikhuluma
That's why.
ngathi mawuthatha yonke inkomo
If you're going to steal cows
uhambe ulobola
and go get married,
ulobola ngenkomo zokwebiwa
you are getting married with
amadlozi
cows.
athini
What are the ancestors saying?
uthatha inkomo zoyifaka emsamo
Take cows and
emadlozini
at your altars, your ancestors.
uyakhuluma impela nje nazi inkomo
Hear the cows.
inkomo zokwebiwa
Cows that are stolen.
ayimukelekile emathuneni noJehova ayimukelekile inkomo zokwebiwa
Cows that are stolen, God doesn't accept them.
Nandaba hambona umsindaba yakho le
Why fix your things?
wayonikela ngenkomo
Give an
zokwebiwa
offering of
wena
cows
sela
and
ndini
the thief.
ulobola kanjani ngenkomo zokwebiwa ngapha kuyakhalwa
On the other side, they cry.
iy'nkomo azikho
Cows are not there.
uyakhala umndeni uthathe sonke isibayo yolobola ngenkomo
And
zeyinyembezi
then you're going to get married with cows of tears.
ayisumele bantu abami namhlanje
Today,
ugezwa abantu lalanda
people are cleansed.
if ukholwa ngenhliziyo
If you believe in your heart,
ibonile ngolesine
you've seen on Thursday,
ngetesting
Thursday,
ufika ubaba oya
Father
press
came.
press
Breads. It's for breads.
ubekhona kule yafika
He was there in the
One
past,
on one.
one-on-ones.
uyaguqa la
He knelt here.
uthi baba
Father,
mina ngidlala umncintiswano
I play lottery.
ngicela ubaba angusisi
Father, please bless me.
hlambuluka baba
Confess.
ngaxoxa naye
I spoke to him.
angusisi
I blessed him.
testing
Thursday,
ubekhona
he was here.
umbonile ku TikTok
You've seen him on
Ehamba
TikTok
nonkosikazi wakhe.
going with his wife.
usemba uzobonga ngo-1000
He's here going
unede ukusuka la bayodlala wabamba imali engeke yisho
One money that I won't mention.
konke ithemba ilitshalo ayazidla uloya impela bayanadla isulu ithando
The one who is here to be cleansed. The thing that kills people to come to this place and they don't want to agree in their hearts. A person is tied by the key that is in the heart. Don't live with things that are not good in the heart. Confess. As I'm going to put people in the scheme, people are successful. How many people that are put in the scheme, being grateful, I enter the scheme. Father, I'm telling you these notes. How many people that are grateful? These are stones. God uses things on earth because the person is so that they can fight with the thing that is in your body. Here are the stones. It's for the river that flows. That I was told to finish. Here they're in that dish. I put them in the steam and enter with an example. Me myself and bless you. How many enter in front of you watching? When I cleanse you, I mustn't cleanse your external. Confess in your heart. I terminate a pregnancy. I told my girlfriend to terminate a pregnancy. I sleep around. Father, please cleanse me. I love women. Father, please cleanse me. Father, I'm here to be cleansed. I find myself with two men. Father, please cleanse me. It's an embarrassment. I slept with my relative. I slept with someone's wife. I slept with someone's husband. Father, please cleanse me. I bought a prostitute. Please cleanse me. Father, I slept with a man. Please cleanse me. I slept with me. Cleanse me. Father, what was I slept with my sister. Please cleanse me of that embarrassment. Listen here. People are not told things of a curse. The past weeks, another lady gets here. You don't know. I'm just going to speak. I'm speaking because that you don't know. Father Prophet. Father, before I enter the steam, I'm here to confess. After that, she cries. You can see she's been with us for years. There is no way where she can confess it. Father, my father slept with me. I got pregnant. A child. Where's the child? The child is there. The child is at home. Is the child working? Father, my things are all in business. When I get a man, he leaves. I
angisebenzi
I'm not working.
ngicabanga nokuyibulala
I'm thinking of killing myself.
ngamanye amazwi lokhu hayi ngoba eloyini
Not because they are bewitched.
kusho
It means
uthwele isiqalekiso
they're carrying a curse.
ubaba wakhe
The
walala
father slept with her
wamkhulelisa
and got pregnant.
angazi ke mntanami
I don't know my
chawo
child.
sengafuni answer
You can look for the answer.
udodo njani lo
What kind of dirt is there?
abalala nengane yakhe aze ayikhuliswe aze ayizalise ezizale ingane
A child.
le ngane alale nayo sesizale le ngane kuzokwenzakalani
What's going to happen?
kukhona mntanami izinto ongekuyikhuluma
There are some things that you cannot say to
endingi umuntu othunywa uNkulunkulu
They are the need
ngoba
of
yena
access by
uzoyivalela kena
And
ngaphakathi
he's going to lock them
yekasho
inside.
ukuthi sibanibani
Never
sibanibani
say so and so.
angathi ufuna ukuthi kulunge into zakho
You want your
hlambuluka-ke
hands
phela
to
mangizokuba
confess.
nesiphuthule
So before I
Uze
push
uphumelele.
it for you to succeed.
baba ngalala nodadewethu
Father, I slept with my sister.
ngalala nesihlobo sami
I
mngazi
slept with my relative.
enye into inkosikazi
Another dangerous thing.
laba nje abaphuza utshwala
People who drink alcohol,
baphuza lapha emakhaya
they drink in taverns.
besekudala yosuku
When they're drunk at
uthola
night,
intombi
you get a girlfriend.
akayibuza isibongo
Don't ask yourself.
ayazi nokuthi yababani
Don't know where they come from.
yaza yolalwa
They go and sleep.
kanti isihlobo sakhe
But it's the relative.
mhlawumbe le ntombi siphethe isibongo sikama wakhe
Maybe this
umzawakhe
is the girlfriend, is the husband,
ayitho ezindaba umzawakhe
cousin.
omunye uyalala ekhazeni nomuntu wakubo kwisinengisho
It's an
uma
embarrassment.
sifuna ibhayibheli
When we open up the
ibhayibheli
Bible, the Bible
olala
says,
nomfowabo
the one who
makafe
sits
nokufa olala nodadewabo makafe nokufa ngamanye amazwi ulala nesihlobo sakho zekresi
you see,
ake sibuyele ekhaya lapha engizalwa khona
let's go back home where I'm born.
yalapho sakhona
Where I was blessed.
mangabe wabulala umuntu kumele udabuluke la
The person you must confess.
angikho khona la
This is
akoshomozo la
no one can understand.
baba ngabulala umuntu
I killed the person. I
ifake
get
esifuthweni
you put you in the steam.
uya
Hallelujah.